I am gonna call Zach, who is my local guy. He's probably getting sick of hearing from me, but Zach, you here?
I'm here.
Holy cow, that was amazing.
Good
Look
to see you,
at
buddy.
that. It's overall, like, setting the trusses, having all of my hurricane straps and all that in place has been, I don't know, I just have the warm and fuzzies.
Yeah.
I feel good about it.
So let me ask you about that. When you guys went to go set the roof, right, and set the trusses, did you see any additional challenges versus standard build?
No, and I was actually very worried about that, but you can't see it from down here. But what we did is then we ran a treated 2x12 on top of the ICF forms.
Sure, yeah.
So that we could attach to, we ran straps through the concrete. So there was definitely pre-planning. Pre-planning is important. Where the locations of your windows are, we had the whole truss design all done before we started on the block, so we knew where to put every single strap, which, I mean, it makes for a cleaner job site. It makes for less garbage in the dumpster. It makes for, crews that come here and they know exactly what they're doing. So there was a little bit more work on my end on the front to make sure all of that stuff was right and done. Nudura was with me the entire process to make sure I was doing it right. If you have any questions about any of this, please go to nudura.com or contact a local rep in your area.